Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you something quite interesting. It's a side-by-side comparison of AI-based OCR technologies. We call this Ai OCR shootout. So we will compare Tesseract, Microsoft Azure Text Analytics, and Google Cloud Vision. Now let's start. So here I have the software robot already built. As you can see, there are 5 steps. Step number 1 is to receive the input image file in a drag and drop window. Step number 2 is going to execute Tesseract. Step number 3 runs Microsoft. And step number 4 finally has the Google Cloud Vision. This step number 5, this is here to just repeat the sequence. Okay, so now let's run this robot. Okay, it starts with this drag and drop window. And I'm going to use these 2 image files. These are just regular receipt. This first one is from a gas station. And Tesseract already responded. Microsoft response just came in. And here's the Google. Now, I'm going to expand the response from all these 3 AI OCRs. Here they are. So you can pause and compare which one performed, better than the other ones. Now I'm going to do the second one. Again, this one, the scan quality is not really good. It's got some bend, but the 3 AI OCRs already responded. So again, I'm going to expand all these 3 replies, and again, you can make comparison by pausing this video. First thing I do is to give this project a name. So I say compare 3 OCR, and of course I will start this with bringing in this drag and drop operations here, and this needs a variable for the output. Well, this output is actually the input for the AI OCRs. So I name this variable input and I bring it here. And then I'm going to bring in run program because I want to display this input image file after I drop the file into the drag and drop box. So I give this the same variable and name it input. Now my second step, of course, is Tesseract step. So I bring in Tesseract and give the input variable to the image file parameter. And return value from the Tesseract, I'm going to just make a new variable called Tesseract and put that over here as a variable name. Okay, good. Okay, and to display this return value from Tesseract, I'm going to use a notepad. So I just start a notepad and use text input operation and give this Tesseract variable here. Okay, good. And from now on, I'm going to give this name Tesseract, and from here on it's really easy. So I make step number 3 and step number 4 and give these steps new names, Microsoft and Google respectively, and just grab these 3 operations from Tesseract and copy to Microsoft and Google steps. There, they're copied. Now I just need to replace the Tesseract plugin with the Google Vision API plugin like this and do the same thing for Microsoft. Very, very simple. Now, for the interest of time, from here on, I would like to explain with the software robot I have already built. So bring in the bot. It's the bot I showed earlier when I showed you the shootout, starting with drag and drop. And step number 2, Tesseract. I actually added a few operations here to make the result easier to view. So I added a title, says Tesseract, and I just added 3 return keys. And I did the same thing for Microsoft and Google. And the Google case, of course, you have to get the credential file to use Google API. So I grabbed that and put that there. And finally, I have a very simple repeat logic built in here. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it's very, very simple and easy. Now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy automation.